tayo pupunta sa swimming pool.
Bakit na swimming pool?
May kambing oh, dalhin natin yan.
Kambing tadi.
Ano ba yan? Pusa.
Sa kaliha. Hadlok man inuon mo. Na nabasak. Hala.
Dito nagtatako si presidente natin ngayon. Yung sila pa yung mga maliit na bata. Tapos yung swimming pool nila, pupuntahan natin. Ito na yun oh.
Oh, that's so big.
Ito na yung swimming pool nila.
Dirty. Look at that. We can go inside. We cannot go. Nakapadira, oh.
Yan, oh.
I thought that's a dead fish. Look at there. Oh, a car? A car?
Yun, may building pa doon oh. Malawak pala yung ano dito.
So big.
Area nila no.
Is it this car?
Ito yung car nila.
Motor?
Motor.
Taasa ba ani uy?
Ayun oh, may building, may bahay pa doon oh.
So many. We are retired. This is so big. Wait.
Silipin mo doon.
Exercise?
Silipin mo. Kita ka ng multo dyan.
I see a weird chair. A weird chair. Just a weird chair.
Wild chair yan, wild.
Exercise chair. Wait, I can go with the president's room.
Oh?
Yeah, it's so cold. And so nice.
May tumatawa guys.
Yo, lima. Ano naman?
I'm not interested in this kind of calls.
And that's your cheeks. Go back.
Ano ba yung drone boss? Kasama rin yung dito?
Sarado na ulit. Dito lang po ang okay.
Ah,